You are watching English TV.
Part A, the basics. First, practice the sound, or listen and repeat. Put your tongue forward and up a little more to make the sound Watch the video and repeat 3 times. First, practice the sound Make the same sound, but very, very short to make the target sound Watch the video and repeat 3 times. Now repeat the combination 5 times. And 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 Part B. Examples with practical sentences. Fur. She's got fur. Turn. It's a turn sign. Worm. I wouldn't like worm soup. Worker. He's a fast worker. Dirty. Your shirt is so dirty. Hurt. Oh, my eyes are hurt. Shirt. The suspect was wearing a t-shirt. Worst. And the worst thing is that the murderer is still out there. Heard. I heard you snoring like a T-Rex. Examples with practical sentences. Photograph. Photographs were only in black and white colour until 1860. Water. Remember to bring some water for the picnic. Father. My father arrives home at 6. Quarter. The first quarter final will start at 8 p.m. tonight. Asleep. The baby fell asleep. Apply. I am now applying for a new job. Comfortable. The kettle in the sofa feels so comfortable. Cupboard. Is there any cupboards in your house? Forget. Oh no, I forget his name. Part C. Dialogue. Listen to the dialogue, paying attention to the target sound. Do you know the common letter combinations that produce the sounds of A and O? Listen to the recording and write down the words. The letter A can be pronounced as A. Here are examples. Stale, hate, cage, chase, shade, age, paper, taste. The letter combination AI can be pronounced as A. Here are the examples. Paid, made, wait. The letter combination AY can be pronounced as A. Here are some examples. Say, day, gay, bay, lay. The letter combination EA can be pronounced as A. Here is an example. Break. The letter combination EY can be pronounced as A. An example is obey. The letter combination EI can be pronounced as A. An example is feign. The letter combination AU can be pronounced as A. An example is gauge. The letter combination UET can be pronounced as A. For example, bouquet. The letter combination EO can be pronounced as O. An example is yeoman. The letter O can be pronounced as O. Here is an example. chose, go, gold, old. The letter combination O-N-E can be pronounced as O. For example, bone, phone. The letter combination O-A can be pronounced as O. For example, approach. The letter combination O-E can be pronounced as O. For example, dough. The letter combination OU can be pronounced as O. For example, though. The letter combination OW can be pronounced as O. For example, low, slow, show. Part E. Poem and tongue twisters. Find at least 4 words containing the sound A and 11 words containing the sound O separately in the following poem. Kelsey Brockway, Snow Day. Up at 6 in the morning, out the window there is snow. It covers the roads and covers the fields, so I turn on the radio. And what do I hear? The spirit of winter. It's come at last, my dear. It's a snow day for sure, down to the ice-covered roads and the snow-covered trees. I put on mittens and my gloves and my hat. At last I put on my coat and my snow pants. Then I put on boots and was ready to go. I was ready to make snowballs for my big brother Josh. I had to pack them hard or they'd fall apart. And when Josh comes out, we will scream and shout. Then we'll throw all the snowballs and we'll laugh and we'll cheer. And when we're done, we'll go in for a nice hot cocoa from Mum. And then I softly sip my warm hot chocolate from my coffee mug, yum. And at last it's time to go to bed. And as I go to bed, I know there will be another amazing snow day tomorrow. Tongue twisters. Listen to the teacher and jot down your answers. A. Maids in the same age hate obeying and waiting. O. The yeoman folds the bag of gold and goes slowly to find the coach. 1. Listening game. Listen to the recording and count how many times each word has occurred. The recording will be played once only. Sir. 1 bird's down, sir. Fur. Fur. Further. First serves her. The worst thing is Washington is getting worse and worse and does not say a word. The third bike goes beyond the first bike because the biker seems to be very thirsty and exhausted. The nurse was nervous. She worked in the nursery on the first day. Read the story below. Barbara spent Saturday afternoon looking at a beautiful book about South America. I want to go to South America, she said to herself. The next morning, when Barbara woke up, it was 6 o'clock, and her brothers and sisters were still asleep. Barbara looked at them, then closed her eyes. Then she quietly got out of bed and started to pack her suitcase. She took some comfortable clothes out of the cupboard. She packed a pair of binoculars and her sister's camera. She packed a photograph of herself and one of her mother and father. I must not forget to have some breakfast, she said to herself. But then she looked at the clock. It was 7:15. I'll just drink a glass of water, she said. A glass of water, she said. Water, she said, and opened her eyes. She was still in her bed, and her brothers and sisters were laughing at her. "Tell us what you were dreaming about," they said to her. But Barbara didn't answer. She was thinking about her wonderful journey to South America. Part D. Quiz and tongue twisters. Do you know the common letter combinations that produce the sounds of and Listen to the recording and write down the words. The letter combination ER can be pronounced as Here are the examples. Her. The letter combination EAR can be pronounced as Here are some examples. Earth, earn. The letter combination IR can be pronounced as Here are some examples. Bird, firm, dirty. The letter combination UR can be pronounced as Some examples are fur, turn. The letter combination OR can be pronounced as Some examples are worry, worm. 10. The letter appears in unstressed syllables in words and unstressed words in sentences. Here are some examples. Barbara, Saturday, afternoon, at, of, beautiful, about, America, the, alert. Tongue twisters. Listen to the teacher and jot down your answers. Very furry bird turns its head towards the worm. Baba calls Barbara and her papa in America.